Okay, let's get to this. GET is a HTTP request, used to request data from a specific source or even a database or an API. That's not an issue. What it can do is, receive a request and send a response body for it. Like, you can specify a specific URL in a GET request and tell it to send a response whenever the URL gets called. In Express, the app.get method will do this GET requests. It will route the HTTP GET requests to the path which is being specified with the specified callback functions. We have already implemented a GET request in our app, here. Well, the slash symbol here will get the home or index route, which means this route and deliver this message whenever this URL gets called. That's how we get these texts here. For the record, we have done others too. Here's the note. GET can only be used to retrieve data, not to modify data from a source. It does not carry a body with request, only headers. Is it safe? Yes. But, not that much. Sensitive data are instructed not to be used with GET, because it does not prevent data leakage via the query string. It is cacheable, safe to use in a normal requesting case, which we are going to do in our app and idempotent. GET helps in such ways. In the next video, let's see about the post method. So, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.